Saturday morning. This is what I'm waking up to.
She's Lola. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
Literally just sitting here in my van this morning, looking out my van doors, watching the Cardinals play. Hung out on YouTube for a little while with Totally Kathy, and that's always so much fun. Thank you, Kathy. Anyway, yeah, the wind's starting to pick up a little bit. Oh, there's people with dogs. Yeah, that's awesome.
God damn it, Grego. Oh, thank you, good boy. Good boy.
Alright, well, this wasn't going to be a video about campground etiquette, but I guess it just turned into one. That guy just walked right through my campsite. Let his dog poop right there. And now he's heading for another one. Okay. Alright. Anyway, on with my day. It's a little windy out here. I can hear the waves crashing a little bit out there, so I don't know how much videoing I'm going to get done today, but I do kind of have a plan. I'm going to go check out a place called Tishimingo Wildlife Habitat. My friend Bill told me about it, and he suggested it might be a good free camp spot. So I'm going to go check that out and then see what else I can find to do today. I might go for a little hike here first. I don't know. It really is a pretty day. Just, dang, that wind. Kind of kicking up. Oh yeah, there's definitely some waves out there. Little bit windy. Alright, the Tishimingo National Wildlife Refuge. Let's check it out, shall we? Moo, aren't you cute? Well, I don't want to upset the herd. Okay, I'll move on. Alright, I found another little wildlife area thingy. Let's see what this one says. Everything's really muddy today. Wildlife management area. Very muddy. Says, shall we? Okay, this says McAdams Pond Camping. So is it this way? No, that's a different lake. Okay, well, I'll go this way. McAdams Pond. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is it. Yeah, I don't know. it would be okay to be here alone, but there would be no way to fit a group here, I don't think. It's very nice, though. Very nice. Very, very nice. I do believe I'll stop here for a minute. Cool. Huh. Alright, here's another little one. McAdams River Access Camping. Alright, let's go check it out.
Continue on Check Station Road for half a mile.
Okay. Alright, well this one looks just like the last one. Enough room for maybe 1 or 2 vans, but no more room than that. Very cute though. Very private. I love it. I'm gonna have to keep this place in mind. So after doing a little bit of exploring of the Tishimingo area and some more of Oklahoma, I've landed at one of my favorite old campgrounds. By old campgrounds, I mean I used to camp here a lot back in my tent camping days. So I thought I'd cruise down here today and see what's happening. Got some tent campers. It looks like they have had some flooding issues. But they have. So this is called Rock Creek Campground, and it's in a little town called Sulphur, Oklahoma. There's lots to do in Sulphur. There's a casino and shopping and all that kind of fun stuff, and lots of nature stuff. So I'll check it out. So far, so good. Definitely not crowded. This is a Saturday afternoon. Nice. So there isn't even a campground host here. That's the first time I've ever been here and there wasn't a host. They've got the Boy Scouts parked here in the host site. And that's the only people here. My kind of campground. So remember last time I camped in this spot by myself, or somewhere right around here, a bunch of raccoons came out right about dark and kind of scared the heck out of me. So I am hoping I won't see them tonight, but I grabbed my camera just in case I do. Yeah, it is winter and there's hardly anybody here, so hopefully they'll leave me alone. We'll see. Got my fire going though. I do. Found some firewood in my trunk. Alright, no raccoons, but we do have an owl in the area. See if you can hear him. Can you hear that? It's kind of cool. Alright, my campfire is dying down. I'll pour some water on that puppy and call it a night. Go in my van and watch a movie or something. It's getting a little chilly. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you coming along. Y'all stay lost, my friends. You've got dust on your thingy. Yeah, it's still pretty bad.